okay. Now you should be able to, yeah, to see it. We're gonna watch the opening of the game, which is pretty thick, to be honest. I really like it. Providence. Yeah. So cool. So basically, some guy called Providence. I'm gonna change it to English if there is it somewhere. Is the game language somewhere actually? Or do I need to change it somewhere else? Because it's true that it's downloaded. Oh, over there. Here and English. Nice, perfect. All the better. All the better for you all. So basically, what the story is globally is, from what I know, is like some guy called Providence took up our ship where we were, that we were in, and it kind of destroyed everything, and so we fled, and now we crashed on a strange planet, and we have to go to find our way back to the ship to take it back. Basically, that's what the whole thing is for now. And yeah, the game got pretty thick music. The gameplay is quite fun, but the game is also very hard, and that's why I never like. I don't have a lot of I don't have lots of playtime on this game, but that's also why I never beat it. But yeah, so here we have all the characters, and all of them have different perks, different skills we can equip here. And so we're gonna select one that I really enjoy. So some I really enjoy the Huntress, the Bandit, and the Pilot for now. The other I did try this one, but it's a bit harder. It's kind of contact damage, and in this game it's not easy to be in contact with other enemies. It's better to be in distance. But so far I really digged on this one because he has a lot of mobility and and yeah, that's why. So this is of course this game is the remake of the first one. So we have new content, new things in it, which are pretty good. You can here check for the base difficulty of the game. I mean normal. And here you have some artifacts that you can unlock. And I have 2 of them. And this artifact modify your how to say, your gameplay. Modify what happened in your game. And I never equipped this for now, and I'm still just in rainstorm mode and not in monsoon. That I don't know what it means because I never heard this word before, but sure. So okay, we're gonna start in normal mode with the pilots because I really like it. And yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. So you can see that on the left, on the upper right of my screen, we have a timer. and that's what it means by when the timers is that's what it means that when the timers increase, I'm changing difficulty. So right now I'm in very easy, so I don't deal the enemies don't deal me much damage and I'm not that overrun by them, so that's pretty okay. But every 5 minutes, I think it's something like this, the difficulty increase, and it goes up to a lot of stages, as you can see. It's all those thingy here. This is the first stage and this is the last stage of difficulty. And so the first stage of difficulty is very easy, and the last stage of difficulty is ha 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 ha, because the game is laughing at you, because you're gonna die, and you can do anything. It's kind of a skill issue game. Okay, meat nuggets. Enemy drop chunks of healing meat. It's pretty cool. Kind of like this item. Can be pretty. It can be pretty handy, sorry, depending on the situation. So every Croxers have 4 skills. As of right now, I have 4 skills. The basic attack that I'm using right now. Another attack here that do more damage and that have some time of cooldown. A mobility skill, so this is a parachute jump, and some kind of, we could say some kind of ult. And right now my ult is this, so I'm targeting something and just make the attacks to enemies, but sure that it's not my favorite. I should have changed it, because we can change those skills when we unlock them. And this is basically a shrine that someone aims, and when I kill them all, I earn a reward. Here, like this. So this one is some of my attack are electrified. Not all of them. Oh yeah. Of course, oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, a red item, okay, old box. Chance to fear enemies. This fun one that fear enemies when I'm getting beaten. When I get hit by something. So the game might look pretty chill right now, but I guarantee you it's not, because it's the first stage. I haven't even summoned the boss yet. Yeah, it's gonna get tough at some point. I'm gonna take this mysterious vial. Do you wanna buy a vial? No, this. No, I didn't get the money. I'm Dumbo. And Dumbo, I forgot about the money. You, okay, actually went falling. And you, okay, I like this. Okay. So now we arrived in easy mode, easy difficulty. Guardian's Art, a shield. That is good. Way to do things. So we're gonna summon the boss. Okay, Wandering Vagrant, so the Medusa. This. Oh, there is something here. Whoa, oops. Basically what I want now. Okay. Good, he's dead. What did I get from his death? Where is the item? What is it? Oh, he fell down. He fell down. Okay. So the red whip. Sure. Oh! I went out of the screen. That's funny. Actually. I can teleport when I finish with this one. And so when I teleport I lose all my money because the money is converted into XP. And I'm... Oh, I like this biome. It's one of my favorites. With its music and all. Okay, so this is a drone that I can buy. And there are a bunch of drones in this game, a bunch of different ones. Some are just attack drones, other are healing drones. I'm gonna wait a bit before someone... No, I can't summon it right now. I mean, what? Magma Worm! You again? I so don't like you. Oh! So basically... Wait, he's dead already? When did he die? And where? Where is the item? Did I lost the item? Oh no, it's the energy vial that I just got, right? I don't know. I think it is. So this is a healing drone. I think. Wait, what is this one? Do. Okay, so everything can go pretty fast. Like you can feel like you're winning, and elite mobs have a chance to drop items. Oh, that's pretty good, actually. So this one, for example, is an elite mob, I think. And this one is too. Okay. So now, let's see what this thing holds. Okay, gain critical strike chance on failing shrines. Okay. Sure. good. That's perfect. Actually. Okay, is there something else here? So this is another drone. Which one is it? This one. Ah, I don't know. It looked like a medic drone, but I don't know why it's not healing me. Like, no, I'm full health, so of course it will heal me now. But before I was hurt, it was not healing me. Oh, I like this equipment. So basically, the equipment have cooldowns, and this one send missiles everywhere. Send missiles, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Guided ones. There's no way that we're under the water. Please help me. Yeah. Okay. Hey, there's something here. Oh! Actually a bit interesting. I think. Wait, I want to see. So this was an elite drone. Oh! We find the artifact of Enigma. Pretty cool. So yeah, there are hidden things in the maps, hidden logs, hidden artifacts like this. Oh, nice. I don't think it's that useful for me. But so basically, every time I hit someone, there is a chance that well, no, it's kind of cool. Every time I hit someone, there is a chance that I infect him with poison, kind of. And yeah. So yeah, that's what the thing is basically. So this is a recycling thing. I can recycle a drone for how to say, for an item, and I'm gonna do it because yeah, gasoline. We're in hard difficulty now. Hey you! Hey, that's pretty cool. Hey, there's nothing here. Oops, I think I almost died from being done. See, lost lots of life here. Chunk of meat nuggets. So, where is the... It's not there. Is it over here? Where is the portal? No, so this is where I spawned. Maybe, kind of. And so, where are we? What is it? Am I blind? Maybe it's over there. No, it's not. Where is it? Oh, is that over here? No, it's not either. So I have no idea of where the portal is. Did I miss it? Okay, I'm gonna respawn there. See? I don't know where it can be, and I'm losing time. I have no idea as of where. Okay, life saving, gold, gain gold over time. Sure, why not? Oh, maybe it's over there, because I didn't check over there. Goody. Yeah, it's over there. Okay, I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. Okay, so I'm gonna die. Wandering Vagrant again. Okay, this one is pretty fine. We saw it earlier. It's the big Medusa thingy. Remember? Oh yeah, there can be two of them at some time, at the same time too. This kind of thing happened. So yeah, basically this game consists of running in circles to avoid death as much as we can at some point. Oof. Oh yeah, I also have this handy thing that kind of let me live for a bit longer. I have I have an item that stops time whenever I'm close to dying. I think it does it once, and that's all. But I'm not sure. Okay, got this one. This is gonna be helpful. Like, really helpful. Okay. Nice. So what I just got make all of my attack explode. And that's pretty cool. Medkits. That's good. Nice. Okay, yeah, we're breathing again for a bit. Last one. Okay. Soldier syringe. increase the hit rate. So we're in very hard now, and we're only on the third stage. I feel like I'm a bit behind in time. I have cluster, okay. Okay, okay. This is interesting. Oh shoot, I don't wanna die. Okay, little waste. Okay, I need to go under. Why, hello there. Okay, that's kind of good. You, thank you. Okay, now we're breathing a bit. Sure. More money. Dead. So I need to go in the middle part. That's probably where my portal is. I'm on the Gundadrome. Nope. Maybe not. Or maybe yes. Okay, so I want it. Oh. Sure, okay. Wait! Artifact of command. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. No poop poop, no poop poop, no poop poop, no poop poop. Once you get your hands on some good drones, this gets so much more variable, you know. Hello. This is fine. Nothing bad is happening. I don't see what you're talking about. Whoa, wait. That went wrong. Basically what I want now. Yeah, please, no! Wait, where is the... You know, So... This! Over there! I want this! Is it some kind of transfusion drones? Or something? Hello, Imp Overlord. Would you be interested in hearing our pleadings? Oh, nice. Okay. Not a bad weapon at all. So now there is a chance that I fire rockets every time I hit an enemy. And so this is quite cool. Okay. Oh no, so all bosses are not defeated. There's one that's under here. Oh yeah, it is. Hey, squatting again. So which one do I need now? So I think I missed one item to unlock a character, but I don't know which one it is. So now I can go to the... Here. Yes, I wanna. Temple of the Elders. 3 identical drone. I don't have these kind of things. I don't know which boss will get. Yeah, do my job yourself. Oh. My bad. Oops. I'm gonna flee now. So where can I flee? Over to the other side, probably. Oof. activate this? I don't know. So basically, the thing on my here summon an additional boss, and that could go so badly if I do it. Let us watch. Do I really wanna do this? Yes, I wanna. Because I'm an idiot. Okay, so here is the final portal before... No, I won't do this. I won't activate another one. This is interesting, see? I want this. Okay, plasma chain. Hey, I want the... Smash shopper. That give me additional coins when I kill enemies. No, I don't want this. So I don't want to do this. I'm gonna activate this and then we're gonna die. Oh, not this, please. Okay, so basically now what I have to do is run. Whoa, 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 whoa. See? Almost died. There. So, I wonder, will I get it? Okay, no, it's over there. I'm sorry. I got lost again. I just keep getting lost every time. More gold water damage. Oh! Wait! Now we're talking, aren't we? We are so talking. Wow. Whoa, too much going on. Basically to end it. See? Now in difficulty, I see you. And that is not enjoyable. I'd like to achieve the 6,000 to open the golden chest. I know I can. But I do this once I've beaten the boss. The two bosses. That are actually over there. But, okay, I got them here. Whoa. Wow, okay. Okay. This is manageable. Okay. 6,230. Oh. There. The first one is dead. Okay, so now this. Let's open it. Okay, Thallium again. And I think there is one last thing I can open. There's one chest I forgot over there. And we're gonna... Oh no, you did open it. Did you open one? No, I didn't forget one. Okay. Good. On to... So, this... For this, falling too low stops time. Yes. I got 3 of them. That's interesting. I don't know what it does. If I got many. So, what we can do now is either we teleport to the final level, or we'll revisit previous ones to continue gather items, you know. I am quite confident in myself right now. I don't know, I have a pretty good item. Pretty good items. So, I don't know, I'd like to revisit maybe the first one. But I don't want to get all beaten like an idiot, you know. Hey, you know what? We're gonna do one last. I think I can teleport to the final level after this. Anyway, I'm coming for you difficulties right now. You can really see it because it's... So we're gonna revisit previous levels and we're gonna see. See here? I'm coming for you. That's the difficulty name. So, what is this though? What is this gauge that I have here? We have to be careful about this. So here, I can activate it, but I don't want to for now. Okay. So I got something really interesting. So from now on, whenever I oh wait, why can't I do this? Oh, because it's there. Whenever I open something, I throw rockets everywhere. So this is really handy. So even if I activate the portal, like whenever I interact with something, I throw a bunch of rockets. See? Oh, another one. It's like as of now, I kind of want to open. Who knows? Not interested. Nice, got this. That is good. Where would this thing be? Oh, okay. Now every time I kill something, I create a shadow on me. Oh, this is pretty interesting too. So this, whenever I use this one, so I'm just gonna keep it for this. But whenever I use this one, I generate a treasure chest here. Wait, why are you doing this? Whoa! So I'm dead. See? Dead like an idiot. I'm surprised. Did I get so much damage that the stopping time couldn't bear it? See, I thought I was doing fine, then I died. Like an idiot. That's why this game is frustrating. And that's why I never won once. That's because I'm dumb. Ugh. We're gonna try again. So yeah, we've been playing for 40 minutes. And we were probably in the last thing, but I died again from a dumb thing. What I was doing is kind of good. So, okay. I'm just an idiot.